Wagwan peeps, your boy sign us here in Alpha Tree. Right now, I want to ask some people some questions. You guys ever thought about it? Why people don't cook on Friday? Why them prefer fast food over cooking at them yard? Let's ask them questions. Let's go. What the man call?
One mucho, boss. I don't know. One mucho.
Alright. Alright, so big brother, the question is, you ever wonder why people don't cook on a Friday? Why?
Why? To the audio. Friday.
Yeah.
You see me there?
Yeah man, I see it.
Alright. So, me would say, yo, people don't cook on a Friday mostly because it's a chill. On a Friday's chill, you know? And you have to go out. I'm out of my house right now, day off. And I spend the whole time at home. You know, things, a lot of event activities going on Friday. So, that's either that or maybe they just genuinely can't cook or they have a busy schedule, busy lifestyle, you know?
The question, big brother, you can cook?
I mean, ask my woman, no? Chop.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I don't know. So, why have to be a chef? I'm a top man and I don't know. Big chef.
So it's just a Friday vibe then?
Oh, man, what they have to go deal with some documents and we kind of feel hungry, you know? So, we have to consume some food. Brain food, said we. But I really like the fast food thing, but it is what it is.
The God Almighty truth. The fast food thing not good for you, but why? Nice.
Yeah, man. Wicked, man, I tell you. Our KFC slogan, finger licking good.
Alright, my brother, bless up enough. You don't know. Alright. So we're there with Auntie Nadine. Good morning, Auntie Nadine. So Auntie Nadine, the question I want to ask is, Auntie, why people don't cook on a Friday?
I really don't know, you know. I grew up on see parents not cooking on Fridays, so we just follow the trend.
So what you think about the Friday? Nobody want to cook or most people want to go fast food restaurant and so?
You know, I'm not really sure, you know. But maybe they grew up the same and see the same thing, so they don't want to do it, so them just follow the trend.
Okay, so why you no cook on a Friday?
I cook on a Friday sometime, you know. And that's something what I regular do. But it's cheaper. Right now in this time, it's cheaper to cook for yourself than to go to a fast food restaurant. So I wouldn't mind if everybody just cook for themselves and stop going to a fast food restaurant.
Oh, so you're a chef, Auntie. So you're a big chef.
Chef, you know, I'm not a chef. But I can cook for please myself and I pick them.
Oh, and them say, Mommy, it tastes good.
Yeah.
So you say, Auntie, just cut back off of the fast food. But talking God Almighty truth, Auntie. Sorry for cut. The fast food not sweet.
Yes.
Them a poison we good.
Very good.
Very good. Thank you very much, Auntie Nadine.
We're there in the street, in the city, at Kenny Street, and we have some gizzard and some drops. Well, we don't really have no drops right now, but as I can say, we have some fresh big gizzard. So you have a question for me now. What's the question?
The question is, my brother, is the culture phase out where people usually cook on a Friday.
Yeah.
Why you think people, especially Jamaican people now, don't cook on a Friday?
Alright, my take to that right now. Based on tradition. Things and times, you know, really, things and times change.
Yeah.
Things and time will evolve over a period of time.
Yeah.
Where people are move away from the everyday cooking.
Yeah.
You understand? People work Monday to Friday. Some people work from Monday to Saturday.
Yeah.
So once you reach Friday evening, some people say, alright, de-stress.
Yeah.
So if you do away with the cooking, them say, alright, work Monday to Friday. Most people get paid on a Friday, so them just treat themselves.
Yeah.
You understand? Whether to Burger King, KFC, some look a fancy wine and dine restaurant, and just easy and just have a good time. So that is just my take.
Yeah.
They cooking on Friday,
Yeah.
sir, people not do them thing no more. Most people are moved from that. But me now, me cook any day, it don't really matter. Whether steam two fish or roast two gizzard or just, you understand? I just keep my thing natural. Yeah, I don't really go with the tradition thing.
Yeah.
And me if you say, alright, I go cook on a Friday, I just my thing that. But you can't stop a man for doing them one day. People have their money, them spend their money just how them feel like.
Yeah.
And that is just my take still. I don't know how other people see it, but that is just my take.
The man say I'm a chef.
Well, a baker, a cook,
Which is,
not a chef,
yeah.
but I can do my thing.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So we're there in the street, we're going flex as you can see. Gizzard and drops. That's what I deal with right now.
Alright, then. Big up
Yeah,
yourself,
man.
my brother.
Yeah man, give thanks. See?
Alright, so I'm out here with Big Brother. and thing, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Question I'm gonna ask big brother is, why people don't cook on a Friday?
Why people don't cook on Friday? But you don't know Friday KFC and Burger Day and people them tired the whole week the Friday and just take it to Burger King or KFC, you understand? Yeah man, I meet this man, Central Plaza, Junior. Yeah man, I me run respond to Central Plaza, you understand?
So you don't think, so is it that you think that some of the people them probably all can cook, that's why them not all cook on all a Friday or so? You don't know?
No man, people can cook man, but most Friday knows they doing the week them work and them tired.
Yeah.
And them say they more go on, you see me? Look at KFC or look at burger or look at snack, you see me?
But apart from that, you a chef?
No, I'm not a chef, but I can cook still.
Yeah,
But I don't like cook still.
You don't like cook?
No, but I don't like burger and them something. Prefer buy something go cook, you know?
Yes.
Like chicken and go mix up like a thing and deal with something.
So on all a day Friday on this way, as you say, enough people pay there and them just want to kick it back. What you wanna buy now? What you wanna buy all like later and anything there?
Later, when I buy with a jerk chicken and go and easy my mom's man.
Yeah?
And go and kick off. You see what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, outside man.
Alright, which is right, my brother.
Which is right.
Bless up the people, them and big up who you want
Yeah
to big
man,
up
bless up
and
Mirror, Ramon, everybody, Marsha, Nicole.
yeah.
Big up my mother, Marilyn, big up Santana.
Yeah.
You see me? Outside man. You see me like parking at Happy Tree,
Yes.
Junior. Me respond to the parking lot.
Alright.
Outside, you understand?
Releasing dopamine.